By now, you've probably seen dozens of bold predictions about artificial intelligence. Claims like AI will run your entire life, or robots will replace workers, or even that AGI is only 2 years away. Some of these ideas sound exciting, some sound terrifying. But here's the truth. A huge number of AI predictions for 2026 are simply not real. They're hype, they're marketing, they're straight-up lies. In this video, we're breaking down the 10 most misleading AI predictions that influencers, tech CEOs, and futurists keep repeating, even though the actual technology is nowhere close. Number 10. AI agents will run your entire life for you. This is one of the biggest lies being pushed right now. People on X and TikTok keep claiming that by 2026, AI agents will basically replace your brain, managing your schedule, booking your travel, negotiating deals, and running your entire day for you. It sounds convenient, almost futuristic, but here's the reality nobody wants to say out loud. AI agents still break if you slightly change the instructions. They hallucinate, forget tasks, and constantly misunderstand context. Even the most advanced agents today struggle with multi-step plans unless a human is supervising the entire time. Developers who actually rely on these tools report the same pattern. Failed flight bookings, broken customer service interactions, misread emails, endless loops, and costly mistakes that no busy person wants to deal with. So the idea that AI agents will run your life in 2026 isn't just optimistic, it's fiction. They'll be helpful assistants, yes, but they are nowhere near replacing your executive function. Number 9. AI will eliminate 90% of jobs by 2000. This lie spread faster than anything else. Viral posts started predicting that by 2026, only 10% of humans would still be employed. The job market would collapse, and AI would handle almost all physical and digital work. But every credible research institution, from MIT to McKinsey to Goldman Sachs, says the opposite. AI is automating tasks, not jobs. It reduces repetitive work, but it increases the demand for supervisors, operators, analysts, managers, creative workers, engineers, and the growing field of AI technicians. If AI truly were eliminating 90% of jobs right now, companies would be firing entire departments instantly. But they're not. Most businesses can't even implement basic automation properly, let alone AI that replaces full job roles. The 2026 job apocalypse makes for a dramatic headline, but it has no connection to what's happening in the real world. Number 8. AI girlfriends will replace real relationships. This is easily one of the most dramatic predictions floating around. The idea that AI partners will become so advanced that dating becomes obsolete. But real data paints a completely different picture. Most people who use AI companions treat them as entertainment, emotional support, stress relief, or simply a safe space to talk. They are not replacing genuine human intimacy. Even the companies building these apps admit the same limitations. AI cannot replicate commitment, vulnerability, conflict resolution, physical closeness, or real shared experiences. AI can simulate affection, but it cannot provide the emotional depth or psychological reciprocity that real relationships require. Yes, AI companionship will grow, but the idea that humans will stop dating by 2026 isn't a prediction. It's a dystopian fan fiction. Number 7. Brain implants will become mass market. This myth exploded after Neuralink announced its first human implant. Suddenly, people began predicting that by 2026, we'd all be controlling phones with our minds, using digital telepathy, typing without keyboards, and lining up for brain chips. But here's what they don't tell you. Brain implants are still incredibly risky. They require neurosurgeons. They're only approved for very specific medical conditions. They need months of calibration, and they are nowhere near the speed or convenience of a smartphone. Even Neuralink admits this technology is decades away from mainstream adoption. So the idea that millions of people are going to have brain chips by 2026 isn't just unrealistic. It's medically impossible. We are still in very early clinical testing, not anywhere near consumer electronics. Number 6. AI will replace doctors, lawyers, and teachers. Every year, someone claims that AI is about to wipe out entire professions. But the reality tells a different story. Doctors are using AI to assist them, lawyers use it to research faster, and teachers are incorporating it to personalize learning. But in every case, humans remain accountable, responsible, trusted, and legally required as the final decision makers. Hospitals, law firms, and schools cannot rely on tools that hallucinate or generate unpredictable errors. If AI could replace doctors, the insurance industry would already be pushing for it. If it could replace lawyers, courts would approve it. If it could replace teachers, governments would mandate it. None of that is happening. AI is strengthening these professions, not eliminating them. Number 5. Self-driving cars will finally hit Level 5 autonomy. We've heard this prediction every single year for almost a decade. Tesla promised it. Waymo promised it. Cruise promised it. But 2026 is not the year of full autonomy. Self-driving cars still struggle with unpredictable pedestrians, bad weather, construction zones, emergency vehicle behavior, unusual road layouts, and visibility issues. Cruise had to shut down operations after safety concerns. Tesla's full self-driving still requires human supervision. Waymo only operates in carefully selected cities under controlled conditions. Level 5 autonomy, meaning no steering wheel, no pedals, and zero human involvement, is nowhere close. Improvements will continue, but full autonomy is still far beyond 2026. Number 4. AI home robots will become as common as smartphones. This prediction went viral after flashy CES demos showing futuristic home robots cooking meals, folding laundry, cleaning rooms, talking to families, and managing entire households. But the truth is far less glamorous. Most home robots today can barely climb over a rug without tipping over. They're slow, fragile, require constant maintenance, and cost thousands of dollars. And the few that do exist don't actually perform useful tasks. They're essentially tablets on wheels. Amazon's Astro is still extremely limited. Humanoid household robots are still prototypes. 2026 won't be the year robots run your house. It'll just be another year full of impressive-looking trailers that don't reflect reality. Number 3. Humanoid robots will replace most manual labor. This myth is fueled by the impressive videos from Tesla's Optimus, Figure 01, Sanctuary, Agility Robotics, and more. And sure, the clips look incredible. But what those videos don't show is that the robots are performing carefully rehearsed, highly controlled routines. They still cannot adapt to new tasks, work long shifts, operate reliably around humans, handle complex objects, recover from falls, react to unexpected events, or survive in outdoor environments. These machines are getting better, yes, but they are prototypes, not employees. Replacing large chunks of the labor force by 2026 is impossible. Robots are coming, but not the way these hype videos suggest. Number 2. AGI will arrive in 2026. This is the most repeated prediction today, that artificial general intelligence is just around the corner, possibly 18 months away, ready to surpass human intelligence. But here's the problem. AGI doesn't even have a universally accepted definition. And current AI still hallucinates, struggles with logic, fails basic reasoning tests, misunderstands physical reality, cannot form lasting memory, and cannot plan reliably. We are making progress, but not that much progress. Even leaders at OpenAI, DeepMind, and Anthropic all warn that AGI timelines are purely speculative. 2026 is not the year machines outthink humans. Number 1, AI will solve deepfakes by 2026. This is the biggest lie of them all. Politicians, tech companies, and the media keep claiming that we will detect every deepfake. Watermarks will protect us, and AI will neutralize misinformation. But every digital forensics expert agrees on the opposite. Deepfake generation is advancing much faster than deepfake detection. Watermarks can be removed. Not all models will use them. Not all countries will enforce them. And as we head into global elections, synthetic voices, cloned faces, and AI-generated speeches are becoming easier to produce and harder to verify. 2026 won't be the year deepfakes become manageable. It will be the year they become unavoidable. And those were the 10 AI predictions for 2026 that are straight-up lies. Not because AI isn't impressive, but because the hype machine is running much faster than reality. Some of these things will happen eventually, but not in 2 years, not at the scale people claim, and definitely not with the perfection that the marketing promises. If you want more videos exposing false predictions, real tech trends, or the truth behind AI hype, make sure to check out the next video on the screen. Thanks for watching.